Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Java Classified. In this video, I will show you how to import the JSON or CSV data using MongoDB Compass. In previous video, I have shown you how to insert the many data in a single command using insert many command in the CMD. So, if you have not installed the MongoDB server and MongoDB Compass as well as Mongoose for inserting the data as a CMD. So you need to watch my previous video. So for importing the JSON or CSV data, we need to open our MongoDB Compass. If you see in my desktop screen, MongoDB Compass is appear. So I'm going to click this one. It is taking some time, so wait until it is not open. Let's Let's see our MongoDB server is running or not in the background because MongoDB server must be running in the background. So previous video I have also shown you how to check the MongoDB server is running or not. So first let's check MongoDB is connecting in the MongoDB Compass or not. So I'm clicking the connect button. It is refusing. I think our MongoDB server is not running. So let's go to our services. So I'm going to I'm going to pressing window R button. In here you need to type services.msc. Then it will goes to our services file. In here we need to search MongoDB. Yeah, it is stopped by default. So I'm going to run it. Then MongoDB server will up. Once the MongoDB server is up, then we need to go our MongoDB Compass or connecting the MongoDB server in Compass. So let's wait. Yeah, now it is up. You can see here it is running state. You can see in the status which services are running, which services are stopped. So let's go to close this one. Now let's click the connect button. It is taking time. Why? Yeah, now it is connected. So let's go to create the new databases. So we need to click plus button. In here we need to give any databases like employee, em- empdb. Now here let's go to define employee collection and click the create databases. Yeah, now this is appear. So let's open the chat GPT for is for getting the CSV data or JSON data of employee. So I'm going to Chrome browser here, searching the chat GPT. In the chat GPT, we need to just type CSV file or JSON file. So let's wait until G, chat GPT is not opening. Yeah, now chat GPT is open. Here we need to type employees collection of data employees JSON collection of data, JSON collection of data file with EMP ID, EMP name, employee salary, EMP salary, EMP age, EMP age, EMP age. Now EMP age, EMP age, EMP name. emp address as well. So let's click enter it. What happening here? Why it is not opening? Okay, just refresh it. Today's you will also see how to search the data and download the files and import that data. So in the chat GPT is very helpful in the our days. So why it is taking too much time? Let's go to another. Here we can type, just see in here. Yeah. Now here it is taking too much time. Why? Okay. Let's go to our incognito mode. Here we need to open the chat GPT maybe. Yeah, now it is open. Here we are going to define create a employee employee JSON collection, employee JSON collection with employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee age, employee address, field fields fields with file JSON field. Yeah, now it is providing this one JSON file. You can see here it is provided the JSON data you can use for testing purpose because in the initial stage you can't insert many data or like that. So that's why. So let's convert this data into a provide in a file in a JSON download downloadable file. What happening here? Okay, it is giving Python high. Okay, just wait. We can also copy this data and create a JSON file. So I'm copying this data and opening the edit plus notepad plus here. Once open now, store this data as a going to our desktop in here employees.json. Save it. Now it is saved. So I'm going, you can see in my desktop as well. This is the employee JSON data. This one you can see. So I'm going to import this data in our MongoDB Compass. So going to click add data. In here we need to click import JSON or CSV file. So I'm clicking this one. Going to our desktop folder. In here you can see employees JSON data. So selecting this one and click select one and click the import button. Now this data is imported in our database collection. So in this video, I have shown you how to import the JSON data or CSV data. So let's go to our here you can see it is provided the employee JSON data and we have copied this data and created the employee.json file importing this file. This data I will provide also in the description. If description box, you can use that data as well. So thank you for watching my video. In upcoming section, I will also show you how to how to add the query for finding the data based on employee salary, employee age, that thing. Thank you.